Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by assembling your raw materials so you can analyze immediately. First, collect transcripts, field notes, and any contextual metadata into a predictable folder structure. This reduces friction. Once done, pick the tool or template you'll use and standardize file names so nothing gets lost. Then create a provisional codebook of around 8 to 12 codes with clear definitions and one example each. That gives you direction without overcommitting. Make sure to record who created each file for traceability. Now you move into hands-on coding to shape the analysis. Start by pilot coding 2 to 3 transcripts to test and refine your codebook. Merge similar codes or split broad ones when they obscure meaning. As you code, write memos that explain why segments were coded and note patterns or surprises. Memos become your analytic backbone. Once you have a critical mass, run simple frequency counts and co-occurrence checks to see which themes cluster together and where to focus deeper interpretation. To finish, synthesize coded data into coherent themes and produce analytic summaries that link evidence to your claims. Create thematic maps to visualize relationships. Then validate. Triangulate findings across sources, calculate intercoder agreement or conduct member checks, and adjust interpretations if necessary. Once validated, prepare representative excerpts and visual charts for reporting and explicitly state limitations and unanswered questions. If results feel inconsistent, revisit memos and recode a sample to diagnose whether code drift or insufficient data is the cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.